Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have another icon. It's a 2002 Mercedes-Benz SL500 Silver Arrow. These are very special cars, limited production. Got Richie, the owner here, inherited from his father. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Richie?
Hey, how you doing, Mike?
Good, man. What a car.
Yeah, it was my father's car.
Mm-hmm.
He owned it. He had it on lease. After the lease, the dealership told me it was crazy to turn it in. That his
Yeah, of
buyout
course.
was less than what the car was worth. He
Sure.
bought it. My mom had hip surgery, couldn't get in and out.
Mm.
He asked me. I purchased it, and him and I drove it up from Florida.
Wow.
And I've owned it ever since.
Beautiful.
Sitting in my garage.
Yeah, so one family owned. These cars are very special. They have the BBS wheels. These are a one-off wheel just for the Silver Arrow. Got drilled rotors. This car also has the bird's eye maple. It's a black wood and turn dash. Two-tone interior. Illuminated door sills. And Richie has everything from when his father bought it. 12,345 miles. Let's just show them what we got in the trunk. Look at this. Original attaché case. Oh, give me a hand. There you go. Look, it even still has the cilia packet. This is a keychain. This is your certificate of showing that it's a limited edition. It's got the original pen. I don't think it's ever been out of the sleeve. Anything in there? Man, that is so cool. It has the original bubble wrap and the box that came in. Very cool. And he's got the spare key with the original dealer tag on it. Wow. It's got the hardtop and the hardtop stand that's at home. You can see photos of that. It's got the original owner's manual, everything in it. Wow. Music sampler for the Bose stereo. These cars come loaded. Oh, wow. Quick tips. Brand new. Hardtop installation guide. Very cool. 6-disc changer. I don't think a disc has ever even been in it. Touch-up paint. Original dealer tag from Florida when he bought it. The license plate, front license plate bracket, which is great. I'd hate to see those on the car. The original screws that go with it. I mean, and on and on and on. The acceptance letter from when he got it new. What's the? Oh, the letter from Benz. Probably congratulating him on the car. Yeah, bunch of confidence, all kinds of stuff. Beautiful. Man, you just don't see them like this. It's like a time capsule, you know? Very cool. And then some receipts and miscellaneous inspection, blah, blah, blah. Man, so cool. Also has a special paint, too. It's got a lot of metallic in it. Paint's silky smooth. I really like brand new. If you're looking for an SL, this is definitely the one to buy, Silver Arrow. These cars are really coming up in value. Definitely a next collector piece. Richie's selling it because he's got kids in college, right? Doesn't drive it. Yep. What happens when you have smart kids? They got to go to expensive colleges.
Yeah, that's what happens. That's life.
It is. Man, what a car. Jeez, it's much nicer than I even thought.
Try to take care of it. My father loved it. I love it.
It's got a special grill too, a Silver Arrow grill. Special Silver Arrow badging. And this pen just pops. So pretty. I think These cars come loaded right from the factory, and then they add all the Silver Arrow amenities. This black wood is fantastic. So pretty. It's like illuminated door sills. Love the two-tone interior. Wind deflector. These are usually plastic. It's got a chrome or aluminum surround. Love this turn dash too. So pretty. Freaking new. Silver Arrow. And they brought the turn dash all the way down. And there's a loaded, like heated seats. Power top. Got the roll bar too. It comes up. Bose stereo. Memory seat. Even the passenger side has memory. 3-person memory. There she is. Gorgeous. The only thing you really did is replace this. You know, they kind of fall apart over the years. The car is over 20 years. 20 years old. Such a gem, you know.
Yeah, love it. It's my heart.
I bet your dad had to go on a waiting list or something like this
He did.
to get this car.
Already fell in love with it.
Man, what's not to love? It's freaking beautiful. Always garage kept. Never been in the rain. Look at the manifold shielding around there. Beautiful. We go for a quick ride?
Sure.
Yeah, let's check it out. This roll bar does come up, but it's not too good to do with that screen on there. Day-night mirrors, automatic. Yeah, so crispy. And the buttons are like beautiful. Gauges work. Love this leather wrap steering wheel. Perfect dash. Little storage compartment. So pretty. Can I say that? Top that, Richard.
It's perfect.
Oh my God, look at the sticker still there. It's fantastic. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. I probably took about 150 photos today. I'm at 631-339-0399. And check out the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.